Resetting a MyQ garage door opener can be done in two ways: a Wi-Fi reset or a full factory reset. What each reset does: Wi-Fi reset clears stored network settings. Use this when changing routers, updating Wi-Fi passwords, or connecting to a new network. Remotes and keypads are not affected. Factory reset erases all stored data, including remotes, keypads, and Wi-Fi settings. Use this when moving, transferring ownership, or resolving persistent connection issues. Option 1. Wi-Fi reset. Locate the adjustment button on the motor unit's small black button between up-down arrows. Press and hold until you hear 3 beeps and the up arrow LED blinks. The LED will turn off, confirming Wi-Fi settings are cleared. Open the MyQ app, tap the plus icon, and reconnect to your new Wi-Fi network. 2.4 GHz required. Option 2. Factory reset. Locate the Learn button. Color varies: yellow, purple, red, orange. For yellow buttons, press and hold until the LED turns off, then release. Repeat twice more until you hear 3 beeps. For other colors, press and hold until the LED turns off, then release. After the reset, all remotes and keypads must be reprogrammed, and the opener must be re-added to your MyQ account. Post-reset steps: open the MyQ app, tap the plus icon, and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the opener to Wi-Fi and add it back to your account. Limitation: a factory reset permanently erases all paired accessories. Start with a Wi-Fi reset if unsure, as it is less disruptive.